What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the 2 Comic Club, and it is actually 10 o'clock. I didn't get to film today. I was preparing for some tutoring sessions I was doing with some material that I kind of forgot how to do, and so I was learning up on that, and then I was editing as well. So the market was okay today. The NASDAQ went up 31.55 points, and the Dow went up 39 points. So let's see how we did, see if we made money today. Alright, so it looks like we did finally make some money. The last couple days, even though the Dow went up, we lost money the last 2 days, but we made some today. So I'm happy about that. So let's look at our winners, and then we'll talk about the losers, and then we'll just talk about a few other things, and then we'll wrap it up. It's going to be a short one today. So at the top of the list, we have Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple. The biggest percentage gain was Lam Research, but I was looking at some articles, I couldn't find anything. Someone wrote an article saying that they should be considered for a leveraged buyout. Not sure exactly how a leveraged buyout works as opposed to a regular buyout, but I haven't really done a lot of research on that. But they went up today, their stock went down today also, so I'm not, a little interesting that happened, but whatever. So we have also Groupon had a good one, and then in terms of monetary wise, Amazon was our best gainer because the call is just so expensive. Even a small percentage gain like this, although for stocks that's pretty good, but for options it's pretty average, kind of borderline smaller, I guess. But because it's worth so much, that was our best gainer. So we were definitely really excited about that. And let's go to our losers to see what happened down here. Not too bad. Riot Blockchain did not have a great day there. But other than that, it was pretty calm for the most part. No quadruple digit gain or losses, so that's good. So let's just go down to the watch list here. We got Under Armour did have really good earnings, so they went up a lot. And then Twitter, I'm actually not sure what happened with them. I actually sold my calls already thinking that it was going to come back down. But they had another good day, so yeah, kind of regretting that decision. But that's okay. Square, we have Kroger up here, Abercrombie and Fitch, Tesla, which is always nice to see them on the front page. Then we got Red Hat, Stamps, Amazon, Nvidia, lots of good solid companies right there. So I'm really happy with that. But yeah, we're going to talk about my concerns. So let's just go to the third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, and seventh page to see who the biggest losers were. Looks like blockchain marijuana stocks, not good. And then Albemarle is also down there, so also not good. All right, let's come back to me now. All right, so the main reason there's not much to report on today, but because tomorrow is a very, very big day. The consumer price index numbers for January is going to be reported tomorrow, I believe in the morning, like around 8 o'clock or so. And then on Thursday, the producer price index, or the PPI, will be reported. And those two are kind of indicators that people look at in terms of whether or not we should be scared about inflation or not. Because, if the cost of the average basket of goods that people buy on the average day-to-day basis are going up, that means inflation's kind of going up. So I'm not sure how much it could change from month to month. So I don't think it's going to be a huge change tomorrow, but I'm crossing my fingers, knocking on wood, because if the numbers are higher, that's bad. But if the numbers are even or lower, that's good. And I wrote some numbers down. Hold on one second. I'm going to grab something here. Okay, so I was looking at my portfolio today, and some interesting numbers. I just jotted down what percentage of my portfolio is in certain things. And right now, I'm still kind of investing pretty risky if in the grand scheme of things. I have 71.69% of my money in calls that expire in 2019. So not like the riskiest expiration date, but still, compared to a lot of investment instruments, it's pretty risky. I have 9.76% invested in just the one call. The Amazon call for 2020 is 9.76% of the portfolio. And then I actually took this, in the middle of the day, but our balance didn't really change since then. But I have 0.44% in cash, 7.06% in puts, and then I have 11.05% in stocks. And that is a much higher number than it was prior to this month, and so I am trying to make an effort to adjust my portfolio to lower the risk. I do think it's helping a little bit because I'm noticing that my down days are getting a little bit better, and my up days are getting smaller, but at the same time I'm trying to just tame everything and minimize the risk as much as I can. I still do feel in my gut that the stocks will make a turnaround this year, which is kind of why I'm still keeping a higher percentage in calls. I know a lot of people would advise against that, but again, I'm going with my gut and I'm trying to make a lot of money quickly, and that's the only reason I'm doing this. Otherwise, I would probably be 100% in stocks. So with that said, I do like the way it's looking now, but if tomorrow is bad, I'm going to have to reallocate some more into stocks. I do like selling covered calls. It's safe and it's guaranteed money, so I am liking that a lot. And so if I do sell some more calls, I'm thinking I'm going to get some more OLED stock and Apple stock, because those call options are pretty expensive in the grand scheme of things, and compared to like AT&T and Ford, for example. You wouldn't really get anything selling covered calls with them. But with OLED and Apple, you could. So I might do that as a strategy. I'm still looking up doing other strategies like bear call spreads and vertical spreads and stuff like that. I just don't know if I can do that yet on Scottrade. So I just wish that TD Ameritrade would merge already. But anyways, that's kind of where we're at. Cryptocurrencies, I haven't checked, but it's probably pretty close. I checked the prices today; they're pretty much flat, so nothing really to report there. So with that said, hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm crossing my fingers for some good numbers, and hopefully the stocks will kind of pick up from there, because I did mention 3 days in a row of gains would kind of help, but that's really not going to matter if the numbers tomorrow are bad. And we still have the March inflation the Fed meeting in March about raising the interest rates. We still have that to look forward to. I say that in a sarcastic way because I'm not looking forward to that at all, but those things are going to really affect the market. So we got to keep an eye on those. So I'm crossing my fingers, knocking on wood, hoping for the best. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. So all right, I hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.